Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can log into your Coral Sports betting account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Coral Sports betting account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in Coral Sports Betting Login and make a search. You're going to see the search results displayed on the screen. Click on the first link shown on the page. It will take you to the official page of Coral Sports account. Tap on Login option at the top right corner of the page. Enter your email address or username and password associated with your Coral Sports Betting's account and tap on Login. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered the password correctly or not. Slide the slider of Remember Me to the right side in case if you want your ID to be remembered next time you log in. In case if you don't remember your password, click on the link that says I forgot my password. This is how you can log into your Coral Sports Betting's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.